Yo, YouTube family. Ooh, Massive is here again. Yeah, no, it's been a while, but no, trust. Believe your man has been hard and doing. Alright. Without further ado, this video it's the third part to the crypto market overview. We have done the first part, we have done the second part. Talking about the first part and the second part, if you have not watched or seen either of the two or the two, can you please go and watch it? I will drop the link to the first and the second part in the description video, because it is important that you watch, that you understand what we are talking about. And if you have watched the first and the second part and you enjoyed it, you derive, you find value in those series, do whatever it is you are doing right now and click on that like button. Please, if you have not subscribed, why have you not subscribed? Please subscribe. There's a share. Sharing is love, and there's love in sharing. If you believe that, why have you not shared? Why have you not shared? Now come on. Why have you not shared? Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. I know. I love you too. I can hear you say, I love you, Massive. Yeah, Massive loves you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to introduce something new in this video. Yeah. Yes, that's a bit of suspense. Yeah. Okay. Crypto market overview part 3. Let's go. Yeah. This is Bitcoin USD, obviously. But quickly, we can see Mr. Bitcoin has been on a downtrend, right? Since when? We don't know. Yeah. Okay, you can see a series of, I think we stop here. Let's stop here. Series of what? Series of lower high, and what? Lower low. No argument. Downtrend. All right. Okay. So right now, this is the last. Yeah, the last lower high that leads to this lower low. So this is the strong high right here. So BTC has to, for now, at the moment, as it is right now, this resistance has to be flipped, or Bitcoin has to flip this resistance, then give us a lower low, and then give us higher high. Then we can say, yeah, it's changing trend. Why not? Yes. And yeah, you can see something here. Yeah, something like resistance, or yeah, SR flip, whatever it is, but not really a strong one. Okay, not really a strong one. So to make things simple, I just leave it like this. All right, leave it like this. We know that if we overcome this high, then we can just look forward to the higher low, then higher high. Then yeah, Bitcoin is back, guys. I can see something for me. Yeah, you can see something is forming here. Something is forming, guys. If you go to the lower time frame, you're going to see it very clearly. Believe me, something is forming right here. As you can see in the lower time frame, that's 8 hour is showing more. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, so Yeah, everything is looking interesting. All right, so we are going to be focusing on USDT dominance, BTC dominance, and total market cap index. And then I said we're going to introduce 1112 again. But for now, let's go to USDT dominance and see what is happening. Yeah, like I've been reiterating on Twitter lately, that watch these guys as a bit of caution, because you see this like an ascending triangle right here. Right here we had this um just dancing between this level, this triangle, this one and this one, right? And then what happened right here, November 15, 16, it blew up, and you know what happens to the market, all right? Then I did an overview video, I think was it, I think 17 or 16th of November. Then we talked about this resistance. Yeah, and right now the resistance has been proven to be stubborn, proven to be strong. All right. But in the because of that, another ascending triangle is forming right here. You can see it, and look at it, you see ascending triangle, which normally textbook definition of ascending triangle is bullishness, like it leads to breakout. But it doesn't work, nothing works 100%, especially when it comes to trading. Nothing works 100%, but so many times it fails that instead of breaking out, break down. So I said here, watch this carefully. This is ascending triangle, and USDT dominance might just boom blow up. All right, or if it fails, just break down, and we have a little bit of party. All right, I want you to see something right here, because you know we had this setup right in February. Yeah, February. We are looking at this, like the line is quite thin, but you can see this is an ascending triangle as well. I mean this right here, yeah, and here you can see it's an ascending triangle, but it failed, right? A breakdown here before now before we break out, yeah, right? But it failed right here in February. So the same thing might happen again right here, and it might fail. Yeah, possible it fails and whatever. But just to hear on the side of caution, watch this. All right, watch it. Don't quickly. Let's look at no. You don't. Yeah, BTC dominance. We are back here again, and guys, this is extra. Combining what is happening right now on USDT dominance and what is happening right here on BTC dominance, then you should double up your caution. Double up your caution. Yeah, right here, we had this in the first overview video. We talk about these uh two scenarios. Um either this happen or either this happen, but it followed the red. BTC dominance was moving up before. Yeah, it didn't really quite touch 40.80 level, but before it broke down again. All right, it is back at this level, and this level is strong, guys, very very strong. So then I will reintroduce Bitcoin dominance again, you know in respect or in relation to all USDT dominance and altcoin. So that basically two scenarios or two indications with BTC dominance movement. We were looking at this. Of course, we have been following it right from the January, December, January. All right, and if you can go to that trade and follow it, I think the trade is in part 3 right now. I've updated it. It's been a while, but then we're quite following it, and it the accuracy is just super. All right. Then we're having this consolidation here in February to March, and I've been we have this 2 level. Say buy altcoin to this level is reclaimed. All right, so meaning that if this level is reclaimed, say your altcoin, then if this level down here break down, then there will be massive autism. And what happened? Of course, massive autism, because BTC was just going, the BTC dominance was just going down, going down, going down before. And I put it right here when we're somewhere I did that. We should be careful at this level. The Bitcoin might bounce, and that's on the weekly. That anyways, that's past. But to those that have been following me, we understand what I'm trying to talk about. All right, so what is happening right now? We are back at this level again. We are back at this level again, and you can see what happened each time we are at this level. Each time we are at this level, something seems to always change. All right, so it is highly probable, not a certainty. It is highly probable that Bitcoin dominance will rise again. Now, what indication of Bitcoin dominance rising? It doesn't necessarily mean that the market is bad. It is even good that Bitcoin dominance goes up first. Then, the bigger the Bitcoin dominance, the bigger the alt party. That's what some people don't understand. But you have to position yourself very well. If not, when BTC is going up, punishing altcoins, you'll be there cursing Bitcoin that, oh, why like Bitcoin going to 100k and your altcoin is suffering. But in order to avoid that, that's why Massive is here for you, and we're doing that. I will not stop doing it. All right, so the two indication, Bitcoin dominance movement. All right, so let me give you this scenario. If you are selling into BTC, you are moving your altcoin, you sell altcoin, you sell into BTC, what will happen to BTC? You are adding to the Bitcoin dominance. You are adding to Bitcoin dominance. All right, meaning that Bitcoin dominance we show a bullish movement. We'll be going up, we'll be rallying. The more people are sending their altcoin to BTC, the more Bitcoin will be going, Bitcoin dominance will be going up. Not necessarily mean that Bitcoin price will be going up. It depends on what where we are or what the market is doing. All right, but generally Bitcoin dominance going up mean that people are less interested in altcoin and more interested in Bitcoin. So two things, Bitcoin dominance going up could mean two things: that Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin value, Bitcoin price itself is running, is going up, blowing up at the expense of altcoins. All right, meaning that people are jumping into Bitcoin wagon. People are dumping their altcoin, buying more BTC, buying more BTC. That is scenario one. Then the other scenario is that people are disinterested in altcoins, but not really interested in Bitcoin. All right, but more people are selling their altcoins more than more people are selling their Bitcoin. Does it make sense? Yes. So if more people are selling their altcoins more people are selling their Bitcoin, then what will happen? Bitcoin dominance will be going up as well, even though BTC price is not going up. Either it's stagnant or it's going down as well. But the rate at which Bitcoin is going down, it's low compares to the rate at which altcoins is going. That doesn't make sense. So in order to what English will I use here? In order to resolve this kind of discrepancy, in order to ascertain what is actually going on, you look at USDT dominance, because it is possible that when people are selling their altcoins, they are selling into BTC, or people are not just interested in the market at the moment, so they are moving their profit or whatever it is, they are moving both even BTC and altcoins, they are moving into USDT, meaning that they are moving out of the market. Does it make sense? So when you look at USDT dominance, and USDT dominance is going up, it's an indication that people are moving out of the market. But when USDT dominance is going up and BTC dominance is going up, you don't have to look at BTC price. You will know that BTC price is going up, meaning that people are interested in Bitcoin. People are moving into Bitcoin at the expense of altcoins. So they are not moving out of the market, rather they are moving into Bitcoin. That is the best scenario, because it means that money is in the market. So you just wait for the right time for people to now move those profit from Bitcoin and move it down into other altcoins. So when I say in one of my tweet that I really want to see BTC dominance above certain point, then it means there will be massive alt party. But in as much if BTC remains low like this, or okay, BTC can even go further down, right? You can see the lowest point was 34 as far as history here is concerned. But 41 to 34 is not really a big deal, right? It's closer to all-time low. Okay, so the altcoin will not be really massive. But imagine when BTC was here, you know that no, there's enough room for Bitcoin to fall, Bitcoin dominance to fall. So meaning that more and more and more profit can be moved from Bitcoin into altcoin. So you get, I hope this is clear. Okay, so be careful, because BTC might start. That's why I showed the BTC chart first. If BTC change in trend from downtrend now, and it's looking like it want to break the downtrend, people might just be running into Bitcoin and selling their altcoins, which will be punishing your alt badly. It's highly probable. So be careful. I'm not saying sell everything. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, even if you are buying right now, buy with caution. And whatever you are holding right now, make sure you can hold, you have diamond hands. All right. I say we are going to look at total. Okay. So this is total, guys. When this happened, right, I had this in my tweet, one of the tweet, I had this what is it now? I had this setup, yeah. Okay, but it came where it did not break out. So then it did not give me enough confidence, because then I was saying my mind, oh my god, this got rejected. It's not good. But anyways, it might I like we talked about in the second overview video, this level is very important, and it came down. It has really failed to break down here. So every time we come down here, what do we have? We had this heavy bounce, all right, which is impressive. Okay, it looks like we want to break out of this trend, but yeah, it's highly probable. Okay, considering what we have discussed on USDT dominance and Bitcoin dominance, all right, bringing it all together. So if Bitcoin start to rally right now or break its downward trend, it will reflect on the total, because BTC has it has about more than 40% dominance. So if Bitcoin itself is moving up heavily, it will reflect on the total market, meaning that the total market will be going up. All right. So It makes sense, right? It makes sense. Yes. So the only thing is the conversely, let me speak like the academia. Conversely, if USDT dominance breaks, let's go to it. Let's go to it. This like accented triangle and blow up, all right, it will reflect on the total, meaning that the total we probably break down, and we are looking at this level. Oh, scary. Yeah, but this is market. Am I bearish? No, why would I be bearish in December? I'm not. But I pay very close attention to what the price action is telling me and what the sentiment is. The sentiment is that December, and what is happening to global market right now, financial market, it's bullish. The sentiment is bullish, but the price action has to be followed carefully as well. So in the short term, BTC go up maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, and altcoin might be in soup, or it might be possible that the entire market just boom break down before. Yeah, let me quickly show this. Cincinnati. I'm sure it's showing right now. Yeah, I'm sure it's showing right now, because in my last video, I thought I thought it's displaying on the screen, but it was not displaying at all. So these signals, you can see this like annual seasonality of Bitcoin, all right, which we can use for the entire crypto market. You can see this is average, not for a particular year, but average Bitcoin movement. Okay, every year. You can see right now we're in December. It shows that from October to December it's uptrend, while September is mostly a bad month. And you can see, if you compare to what is happening this year, it's quite accurate. Okay, so it means there's more uptrend to come using this season axe as well. So in your argument, you can use one or two things. You decide for yourself what is happening. I'm just giving my opinion right here, all right, without bias. Okay, so the third tool I was talking about is this tool. Now be following as well. There's so many tools I could use, like like I've said in one of my videos. I could use so many tools to just to gauge the sentiment of the entire market, not only crypto market, but the financial market. And I will continue to get more and more and more. Right. So this is Uniswap PERP, and if I'm going to use Uniswap PERP as a sentiment for the market, it's going to be closely related to altcoins. Okay, if Uniswap PERP is going up or is on bullish trend, it's good for altcoins, especially the below and mid cap. Yes, because for people to be using Uniswap, considering the anterior fees, gas fees, it means people are really interested in the market. All right. So if you look at it from when from right here, all right, let's just start from here. you know December, it break December, it broke out here in December. And you know what happened to the market? We have been on bullish trend since last year, December, right? You can see February we had this little correction, not little, it's quite a lot correction, and it really showed that, all right. And then late February will bounce up again, and we continue to go with this uptrend. In April, what happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin first made this massive correction in April, and it reflect again in here. Then late April bounce again, market bounce again, especially the altcoin. No, you can't do that. Low battery, no. Okay, so then what happened here? Breakdown May, 12th of May. You cannot forget that date. And what since then, it reflect that. Then What happened again? Uh, you can't die on me with this battery. You can't just die on me. Okay. What happened again? Right here in July, there was we had this. I posted that. I tweeted about it. It's there. The the start of the hot party, and it shows. Yeah, right here we had this breakout in July, and since then, pom pom pom, and September we had another correction which reflect here again. So you can see this is another wonderful tool to use for to gauge market sentiment. I mean, to predict when market is probably going to be have a change in trend and where we are. All right, so it's important. All right, it's also a very good tool to use. And right now, it's a little bit it's in a downtrend. It has been on downtrend since uh September, even though we had this bounce in October, and then 16th of November, we have it has been correcting or pull back, or it's a correction. It's a correction. So right now there's this block right here that has been proven strong enough, has been proven strong enough. All right, this block. So I just see might have a change in trend here again, but it's you can as well be using this as well to support the sentiment. All right, I hope you enjoy this. I hope you do enjoy it, and if you do, please click on the like button and subscribe. Most importantly, share, guys. Share, guys. Share, guys. I got you. I got you. And uh, what happens if this block fail? Then we have this level. All right, it's just 25% lower. Okay, but this level is quite strong, and we might have a week down here. We have a bounce, but believe me, we are all gonna make it. Thank you, guys. Massive signs out.